The world of generative AI apps is booming, and the leading platforms dominating this space might surprise you, especially who comes in second. But here's the kicker. While nearly everyone knows ChatGPT as a frontrunner, the runner-up may not be the app you were expecting. According to a recent in-depth report published by venture capital powerhouse Andreessen Horowitz, A16Z, ChatGPT claims the top spot for monthly web visits, followed closely by Google's Gemini as the most popular app on mobile platforms. Although the report doesn't reveal exact user numbers, it highlights a fascinating trend. New AI products are reshaping how we interact with digital tools every day. Generative AI, like ChatGPT and Gemini, is far more than a tech buzzword. It's deeply integrated into everyday web and mobile experiences. These tools aren't just novelties. They are driving fundamental shifts in productivity, creativity, and communication. And this is the part most people miss: the sheer diversity of applications within this ecosystem. Beyond the obvious leaders, some platforms are gaining momentum. Grok, for example, has seen a nearly 40% growth in monthly active users after its latest update, indicating rising consumer interest. Conversely, Deepseek has experienced a considerable decline of about 22%. Other noteworthy names include Character AI, Perplexity, Claude, and specialized tools on mobile like AI Gallery, Doubao, and Microsoft Edge's AI functionalities. It's interesting to note that well-known platforms like Canva, despite previously ranking high due to their generative AI features, do not appear in this list because they aren't considered AI native, which raises questions about how we categorize AI tools and their evolving roles. So what exactly do people use these AI apps for? The A16Z study categorizes usage into 7 main areas. General assistance. Think ChatGPT and Perplexity helping with everyday tasks. Companionship, where Character AI stands out. Image generation tools like Midjourney that help create stunning visuals. Editing software for images and videos. Voice synthesis. Productivity boosters. And even hosting AI models. Each sector reveals unique ways consumers engage with AI, underscoring how broad and adaptable this technology is. A controversial point worth discussing is how app stores cracking down on sham or copycat ChatGPT apps have paved the way for innovative competitors to emerge. This regulatory tightening could be seen as both protective and limiting, depending on your perspective. Does this foster healthy innovation? Or does it suppress smaller competitors? It's a debate that's just heating up. Google's footprint is particularly striking, with 4 separate AI products listed: Gemini, Notebook LM, Google Labs, and Google AI Studio, showing how the search giant is strategically diversifying within AI, pushing aggressively to close the gap with ChatGPT. Meta and others are also ramping up efforts. One fascinating trend highlighted is the rise of vibe coding, where developers use large language models to create code focused more on the overall feel or functionality, rather than minute technical details. Although this is a nascent discipline, platforms like Lovable and Replit are already cultivating loyal users. This reflects a shift in how AI and developers collaborate, inviting us to rethink programming itself. It's clear the generative AI landscape is rapidly evolving, with 14 platforms consistently ranking among the top 50 web AI apps across multiple quarterly reports. These include familiar names like ChatGPT, Character AI, and Midjourney, alongside emerging players such as Hugging Face and Quillbot. What intrigues me, and what might spark debate, is how we define success and leadership in this AI race. Is it raw user numbers, quality of experience, innovation, or ecosystem control? And furthermore, how will consumer behavior shift as AI integrates deeper into daily technology? I'd love to hear your take. Which AI tool do you think truly deserves the spotlight beyond just popularity? And how do you see AI reshaping your digital habits in the near future? Join the conversation and share your thoughts below.